Morning student. Today exercise 2.4 question 4th first one. You have to factorize 12 x square minus 7x plus 1. You have to factorize. So this we have done in 8th standard. So 12 is not a square of any other whole number or any other number. That is why we can't use the identity. Now then splitting the middle term. So that method you have to apply. Splitting the middle term, what we do? We take the coefficient, numerical coefficient of the first term, that is 12, and third term, that is 1. So we take product of that. So 12 into 1, multiply with sign also. So 12 into 1, 12. So it is plus 12. Now you have to find such a factor of 12 such that their addition, because plus is there, that is why their addition should give 7. Now 12 factor I am writing as 4 into 3. Now 4 into 3 12 and 4 plus 3 addition is giving us middle term 7. Now what is the middle term sign? Minus. So you have to give minus to both this factor. Now instead of minus 7 I will write minus 4 minus 3. So see you have to do 12 x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. You can write minus 3x plus and minus 4x afterward also. Now there are 4 terms, so you have to take a pair of term, 2 term, and find the common factor. Now here I am just doing here in the rough. Here 12x square factor in term of 4 will be 4 into 3 and x square, that is x into x. Now here second term is 4x, factor will be 4 into x. Now here 4 is common, x is also common, so here common will be 4x, and uncommon will be here 3 and x will be uncommon, so here uncommon will come 3x and minus, here nothing is uncommon, 4x is common, so what will come uncommon? 1. Now here 3x plus 1, nothing is common here except 1. 1 is the factor of every number, so 1 will be common and uncommon will be 3x. Here minus sign we have taken common, here this sign of this will change, so it will be minus 1. Now see the bracket, both bracket are same, so take that as common, 3x minus 1. In this, if 3x minus 1 is common, what is uncommon? 4x, so that you have to take in other bracket. And here 3x minus 1 is common, what will be uncommon? Minus 1. So this will be your answer. Now exercise 2.4 question 4th. Here third one, quadratic equation again, because degree is 2, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So we have to find the factor of this. So again we have to split the middle term. So what we are doing? We are taking the product of numerical coefficient of the first term and third term. So I am taking here 6 into minus 6. So your product will be minus 36. Now minus is there, so you have to find such a factor of 36 that their subtraction should give the middle term 5. So it will be 9 into 4, 36, and subtraction of 9 minus 4 will give the middle term 5. Now middle term sign plus you have to give to the greater factor, that is 9, and opposite sign, that is minus, to the smaller factor. Always middle term sign you have to give to the greater factor when minus is there. Okay. Now 9 minus 4, 5. So we are not changing the value, we are just splitting this 5x or writing 5x in the term of 2 terms. So here I am writing 6x square. Now in term of 5x, in place of 5x I will write 9x minus 4x. Now minus 6. Again 4 term, take pair 2 term. Here 6 and 9 both is a multiple of 3, so 3 will be common here. Again x is also common. 6 is 2 into 3, 3 is common, so uncommon factor will be 2. X square, x is common, so uncommon will be x, plus here 9, 3 into 3, 3 is common, so 3 will remain uncommon. X is common here already. Now here minus, common sign. 4 and 6, what is the common factor here? 2. So what will be uncommon? 4 factor is 2 into 2. 1 2 is common, 1 2 will remain uncommon. Here minus sign we have taken common, so this sign will change, so it will become plus. Now 6 factor is 2 into 3. So 2 is common here, uncommon will be 3. Again bracket are same. So here 2x plus 3 common bracket I am taking, and in other bracket I am taking uncommon, that is 3x is uncommon here, and here minus 2 is uncommon. So this will be your answer. Now after question 4, you have to write this question, extra question, which we already done in the 8th standard. But again, just to revise that I am doing, because this is necessary for the 5th question. So solve using method of long division. So you have to divide the cubic polynomial, that is x cube plus 6x square minus x minus 80 by x plus 2. So this you already know. So here dividend will be cubic polynomial, this one. So x cube plus 6x square minus x minus 18 you have to divide with x plus 2. So what you have to do here, you have to consider the first term of the cubic polynomial, that is x cube. So I am writing here x cube means x into x, and you have to divide with the first term of the linear polynomial, that is x. So here 1x will get cancelled. So what will remain? X square. That means here you have to take x square. Now x plus 2, this linear polynomial, you have to multiply with x square. So each term of x plus 2 will get multiplied with x square. Here x into x square, x cube. So you have to write below the x cube. Here 2 into x square will be 2x square. So you have to write below the x square. Now you have to subtract this. Now when you are subtracting, this sign will change. This will become minus, and this also will become minus. Here x cube minus x cube, this will get cancelled. So 0. Here plus 6 minus 2, integer. 6 minus 2 will be 4. So it will become 4x square. Now you have to take one term from here. So it will become minus x here. Now when you are taking from the dividend one term, then again you have to follow the same process which you have done initially. Now you have to take 4x square. 4x square means 4 into x into x. And you have to divide with the first term of linear polynomial x. This x and x cancel. So here 4 into x will become 4x. So here you have to take 4x. Now x into 4x will be 4x square. So write below the x square term. 2 into 4x will be 8x. So write below the x term. Now here again sign will change. So this will become minus and this will become minus. Here this will get cancelled. So 0. Now minus nothing means 1. Minus 1 minus 8 integer. So it will become minus 9x. Now take minus 18. Again you are taken from the dividend. So again you have to follow the process. They take the first term of the polynomial and divide with the first term of the linear polynomial. X cancel means it will come minus 9. Now multiply x plus 2 with minus 9. X into minus 9 will be minus 9x, and 2 into minus 9 will be minus 18. Here both sign will change. This will become plus, means this will cancel. This will become plus, this also will cancel. So this will be your answer, x square plus 4x minus 9.